How to get Dragon Trident in Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this instructional video presentation, I'll be guiding you guys on the process of obtaining the Dragon Trident on Blox Fruits. Acquiring the Dragon Trident, a rare sword, involves defeating a specific enemy who randomly drops it. The enemy in question is a Tidekeeper, a formidable boss located on the Forgotten Island in the Second Sea. To find the Tidekeeper, venture to the Forgotten Island and seek out the boss on the platform behind the main area of the island. The Tidekeeper, a level 475 boss, wields the coveted Dragon Trident, which you can claim as a drop upon his defeat. Additionally, there is a chance that he may drop a water key with the unique functionalities, and once he possesses the Dragon Trident, you can enhance its power by consulting the blacksmith for the upgrades using the dragon skills. The sword boasts two signature moves, the Sea Dragon Fury, requiring 150 mastery, and the Water Dragon Shower, requiring 350 mastery, and both moves summon water dragons to unleash the devastating attacks in the specified direction, making them ideal for the area of the effect combat strategies. By vanquishing the Tidekeeper, you increase your chances of obtaining the Dragon Trident, and I trust that you find this video beneficial in your quest for the Dragon Trident on the Blox Fruits. If you found this video helpful, do show your support by liking and subscribing for additional straightforward tips and tutorials. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one.